Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back. And if you're looking for a simple, stress free way to start earning passive income, then you've definitely come to the right place because today I'm going to be showing you how you can go viral on YouTube and utilize that to help you with being able to create a consistent income stream. Now, this method is going to be beginner friendly, it's going to be completely free to start and does not require any prior experience. Just follow along and you'll be ready to go in no time. Now, if this is your first time here, definitely make sure to check out my YouTube channel, Castify AI, where I'll be dropping the latest tools and tips and step-by-step guides to help you crush your passive income goals. It's going to be packed with free resources and actionable content just waiting for you to dive in. Now, you might be asking yourself, what makes this system so amazing? Well, let me tell you, you're not going to have to deal with any of the usual headaches like customer service, inventory management, or even fulfillment. Instead, you'll be focusing on being able to drive traffic to specific links that I'll be guiding you through on how to exactly make that work. Now, to make things even simpler, I've even created a free step-by-step guide that's going to include a breakdown of everything that you need to know in order to be able to get started. Inside of this, there's going to be 400 plus different AI tools and services that you can start promoting, which are going to have a step-by-step guide on how to get that set up. So all you need to do is simply drop a comment, leave a like, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be sending this straight to your inbox. Now, for even more in-depth guidance, you can go ahead and visit my website, castifyai.com, and all you're gonna have to do is click on Grab Free Checklist and Trial, put in your name and your email address, and all of this information is also going to go straight to your inbox. Now, once you've done that, and you go back into the guide, essentially, it's designed for beginners in mind. So it's going to start by answering frequently asked questions to help you feel comfortable and confident from the get go. And then from there, I definitely suggest watching this first video here, which is going to show you how the process actually works. So that way you can actually start promoting tools and earning commissions yourself without any of the upfront costs or complicated processes. But again, for today's video, what we're going to be focusing on is essentially how you can start going viral and being able to make passive income yourself. Now, when you sign up for everything, essentially you're going to be directed to this page here. And this is where you're going to be able to create a 60-day trial for a tool called Spotter Studio. And this tool is essentially the key to going viral. And I'll walk you through this on how to utilizing it. Now, once you sign up for the free trial, it is going to require a credit card. So you can cancel later on if it's not a fit. But the 60-day trial essentially gives you enough time to be able to see the results. And I've definitely been utilizing this tool for myself, and I'm already seeing success on YouTube. So really what I want to do is start showing you how you can maximize its features in order for you to be able to start seeing the results as well. So once you get into Spotter Studio, essentially what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to connect your YouTube channel, because ultimately what it's going to do is it's going to connect your channel as well as some of the content creators you tend to follow. So that way you can actually see what they're doing in order to be able to gain traction on the videos that they're creating. And that way you're not having to recreate the wheel, or it can provide you with inspirations of what you're trying to accomplish for your own channel. So inside of Spotter Studio, in order for you to be able to get started, what you're going to want to do is go to the labs. And once it actually loads, what you're going to be able to see is 4 different sections that you're going to be able to choose from. So we're actually going to click on the trend spotter. Now, once we're inside of the trend spotter, a couple things you're going to notice is you're going to see filters on the right hand side. You're going to be able to see the top videos that are being published to YouTube. And then you're also going to be seeing when these videos were uploaded, as well as how well that video did within the first 7 days of it being uploaded, and then how many views it got entirely. So what we're actually going to want to do is on the left-hand side, click on all of YouTube, because right, we want to help you gain more traction. And so what we're going to do is click on the upload date, remove the date and times. And once we've done that, you're going to be able to search for a specific channel or search for specific content that you're trying to emulate. Because at the end of the day, if we're providing you with the tools to be able to see who the top performers are and what the top videos are, why not try and start to re-emulating that yourself? And that's ultimately what we're going to be doing today. So again, Previously, what you would have to do is you would have to go onto YouTube and type in something like how to make passive income online. And when you do that, right, you're going to be able to see all the videos that are coming up when you type that in. And then based off of that information, you're having to essentially see all the different videos and how many views they got and what those videos did. What you're now going to be able to do is take that same interaction and type in how to make passive income online, hit enter. And what you're now going to be able to see is here's all the top videos based off of what we were searching. So that way you can take any of these videos that are performing exceptionally well and being able to start emulating them yourself. And really, this is where the ChatGPT comes into play and the other aspects of Spotter Studio. Because what we're going to want to now do is, if this is something that you're trying to emulate, we can actually take this information. So what I'll do is
My
I'll go ahead and
faceless
open up the
Instagram
video.
accounts have generated.
But once it's open, I'm going to come in here and copy this name. And that's where I can actually go into ChatGPT and say, write me 5 YouTube titles using this information. And what YouTube's now going to do is it's going to spit out 5 different titles that you can actually start utilizing yourself. So what we'll actually do is let's go ahead and take this first one here. And again, these are just examples. You're going to be able to customize this as you see fit. But we're going to go back into the Spotter Studio dashboard. Now, inside of this dashboard, what we're actually going to be able to do is, as you can see, there's going to be projects. So what we want to do is we want to create a new project. And this is going to essentially help you with being able to come up with the type of content that you're wanting to post on your own YouTube channel. So we'll go ahead and paste in that title that we were able to grab. You can also utilize Spotter Studio to be able to create some of this information for you as well. Once Spotter Studio has learned your YouTube channel and what type of content you publish, to really help kind of figure out your style and come up with new ideas for you to be able to create content. But for today's example, we're just going to be utilizing Spotter Studio to find all of that information and then help you be able to come up with your own content. So again, we're going to take this title here, which is the 500,000 passive income with faceless Instagram account viral growth tips. And then from there, what we'll go ahead and do is go back to the video. And once we're back at the video, we are going to want to take a screenshot of the thumbnail. So what I'm actually going to go ahead and do is grab a picture of this thumbnail here. And we can go back into ChatGPT, take the image that we just captured, and then say, create me a YouTube thumbnail that looks similar to this. And then we'll go ahead and paste that. And ChatGPT is now going to create me an image that I can utilize for my own video that I'm going to be creating. So we'll then go ahead and download this image. And once we have it downloaded, we'll go back into where we were creating our project. And I can now go in and create my thumbnail. So we'll go back to thumbnails. And then from there, what we'll go ahead and do is click upload, select the picture that we've just downloaded, and boom, there it is. So now we have our title and we have our thumbnail. And then really that's about it, right? I mean, there's some other aspects that you can utilize if you still want like some concepts. You can utilize this and have it create a concept for you. So I can say how to make passive income online, and then click brainstorm, and I want to explode. So essentially what this is going to do is it's going to essentially create a concept of whatever type of video it is that you're wanting to create. But over time, as you can see here, it says my style, YouTube best practices. I just kind of have it in the middle. Over time, it's going to learn, what type of content you're trying to create, and then essentially help you brainstorm ideas of what you're wanting to do inside of that video. So overall, once you have all of that created, you click exit. Here it is. Here's the project that you're wanting to create, or an idea of a project that you want to create. So you can make multiple different videos, just simply by going again back into that trend spotter and copying ideas based off of whatever it is you want to create. So again, that's how we're going to utilize not only Spotter Studio to help you get up and going and trying to get more views, but also utilizing ChatGPT in order to be able to help you get all of this created. So, what I would recommend is definitely come in here, play around with it, get comfortable with it, and start creating your own videos, because it is going to be a journey. It is going to be a longer process, but the more videos you can get out there and the more consistent you can actually do that, the better algorithms YouTube is going to be able to provide for you to get all of the content it is that you're publishing across the platform. So let me know how this works for you. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or you have any ideas of what you would like me to do in the future, definitely leave a comment down below. Otherwise, we'll talk to you in the next video.